Hi guys, today I'm checking out the Mi Vista microphone. This was actually given to me by my aunt she offered me during my trip to FLL back in March, so please do check out right there in corner when I flew JetBlue Airways for the first time. But however, I did go back home with it. My mom bought it my way back. Well, let's go ahead and open it and check it out. Just give me a sec while I open this. So this is the microphone. It's a Lightning, so it'll plug into this filming iPhone, which I use the video to film it, of course. So this is what it looks like. Excuse me for the time limit. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's oops. Open these. And voila. Let's see if I can put them on. These clippers you can see. And I'm trying to hold my phone and record at the same time. Oh. Okay, I need to set this up on my phone. So alright, so let's go ahead and plug it in. So I might need to open this, the bottom, plug it in. There we go. I gotta check. Let's go ahead and go to general, bell, bell. Alright. Wait, sure. Oh. Did I not turn? Alright. All connected. Wait, maybe I should turn on this first. Oh, there we go. Hello? Okay. I will there we go. I'll show you guys in a sec. So please give me 1 second. All right. This is the microphone. I took out the clip because I didn't want it to have it. I will test it out in a second. I'll let you guys know. Now this is me trying to talk in the microphone that is far. I'm still trying to see if this thing works or not. Now over here, of course, trying to talk in the microphone.
This is the microphone. Still testing. This is third time I'm trying to test if see if this is okay. I found out it actually works. So all right, this is a very cool one. I cannot wait to use it. I still yet to review. For those of you from Instagram, remember you guys voted for Blue XL if I should check it out on this. That similar I got for my birthday, the Microsoft Flight Sim 2024. You can check out the video right over here. It will show you the video when I unboxed this game and reviewed and flew a Boeing 737 Max in Air Infinity colors. I promise I'm not gonna fly in that airline again. I promise I'll fly with more airlines thanks to Microsoft fixing the tail numbers, getting it uh to type it in the menu when you're selecting configuring the aircraft and putting in the real one. Thank God that bug is fixed because it would not work. So that's why I had no choice to choose the airline. Well, I mean, I kind of chose it when I first time ran the game. It didn't work, so I had some little bugs after the video. So right now it's getting better, but I also finally got to fly too high as Jackson Airport in the new sim, but it's streamed, not native quite yet. But we're still gonna review it, no matter what. I don't have to. I do not neither have the Airbus Spectre, but we should still fly, right? The Beluga XL around it, or unless I want to do my home travel airport, Jacksonville. I actually flew out of there. I think like a few weeks after this, the video was filmed back in Jan, um, around before Christmas time. I don't remember. It's a really long time, but I'm really excited to check it out. I am so excited to use this microphone. Now, we're also gonna use it on hopefully this hopefully by August when I go to NFL. I wanna go to NFL and game and hopefully find out a good celebrity that have a jersey. This guy. Trevor Lawrence. It's showing you on the screen right now. This is the guy I want to see. This is the first celebrity I want to see on my list. Right now, like soon, hopefully. Let's make it out. So this is for plane overs. Should be interesting. Um, I don't know what else should I do with. Well, we're gonna check it out. The Beluga XL. I yeah, you can see what it looks like on the screen right now. This is I want to check it out, of course. We should. I really, I gotta say, I am very. I'm very impressed with the stick. Oh no! Okay, this phone wants to drop from this case. From this case here, doesn't want to hold, even though I tighten up so good. This stick over here, I enjoying very much. My landings been way better. I don't know if you guys didn't notice. Some of the videos actually been in Microsoft Flight Sim, so there been good landings here. I promise. Especially with that stick. That stick has been like a lifesaver putting the especially with the F-18s. I actually suck at landing with F-18s, but that stick got me way better. Especially landing the one over here, the Top Gun Maverick F-18 on the ground. Um, I didn't have yet to film the video of the Beluga XL. I really want to, but because school's been killing me, I had to do a real full flight, a flight between port A and B. Today I've Today is Sunday, May 4th. I flew Delta Airlines Airbus A220 300. You can see on the screen right now what it looks like the aircraft. If you're not an airplane lover, but this channel is actually designed for airplanes, and anything. And I've been doing a English project, been reading a book, doing it for English class. This is the book I'm doing it for. Skull Over the Tracks. I've been enjoying it. Good. So I've been enjoying the book so far. It's been a short one because well, the school's ending soon. Once the school is done, I got eight flights planned, including JetBlue E190. I already unboxed a plane model. I'll show you guys. So the E190. So this is the E190 here. You can see it's a very beautiful jet. I'm still not. I'm still curious which one I'll end up. Either. I'll show you the pictures right now. The Darton, High Rise, or Hops. We'll see. I will find out on June 2nd. That's when I start. That's when the flight radar will start showing my plane. If you're from Instagram, keep your eyes on stories as much as possible. I also have another surprise for you. I'll find a flying pencil. Yes, that I'm talking about. United Boeing 757-200. I'm so excited. I'm also trying there in United Economy Plus, which United's premium economy. I'm so bittersweet. I'm so been looking to this, scrambling, finding a good price for myself to fly a Boeing 757 United, especially they're so expensive to fly in a jet. So I'm so lucked out. I'm also flying the Max 8. Oh, by the way, yes, that's true. I am flying the Boeing 737 Max. Yeah, also United as well. Also, that means we get to see sunrise. Yay! This is actually my first sunrise I get to see and put on YouTube. I am very, very excited. So, this is me so far. And what else? I was hoping to give out Alaska Airlines a tryout this summer, but I don't see it anytime. I don't see it this summer. Hopefully, right before the end of the year. I need a good flight on that. But if you have a good flight type that cheap, please do comment down below. I would be much appreciated for that. Well, I've been talking for 8 minutes now. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. It will flash for you right now if you're watching a week later. Hopefully, I promise it will. It will not flash right now if you're watching right when the video is released. The first 7 weeks, it will not show. It will not flash. Maybe I'm wrong. Please do let me know if it does flash. I will keep monitoring every time until it flashes. That's everyone. My hand is getting tired now from holding this phone. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.